Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix annoying news pop-up notification in lower right corner of Windows screen. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Click Notifications. Remove all unwanted sites from listings. Second method is open Malwarebytes. Click Scan. Click Quarantine. Click Done and exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.